Welcome to the Science Hub Academy.
What if I told you that 1 mole of water contains more molecules than all the grains of sand on Earth? Sounds impossible, but it's true. What is mole? Mole is defined as a substance is called 1 mole when it contains exactly 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 elementary particles, such as atoms, molecules, ions, or formula units. You can explain it simply. 1 mole of carbon is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of water is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. 1 mole of sodium chloride is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 formula units of NaCl. Actually, this is the number present in 1 mole. And this number is known as Avogadro number. And the most important thing is that mole is not defined by mass, it is only defined by the number of particles. For example, 1 mole water is equal to 18 gram of water. 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 gram of carbon. And 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 gram of oxygen. The relation is here, mole is equal to given mass over molar mass. Molar mass is a fixed quantity, you cannot change it. While given mass is not a fixed quantity, it is variable, you can take it accordingly. For example, H2O, the molar mass of water is 1 plus 1 plus 16 because there are two hydrogen atoms, each contributing 1 gram and oxygen 16 gram. 18 atomic mass unit is the molar mass of water. But if you take 18 gram of water in a measuring cylinder, then number of moles is equal to given mass 18 gram over molar mass is equal to 1 mole. Let's understand this by another example. Sucrose. 342 gram of sucrose is equal to 1 mole of sucrose. And 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. 342 gram of sucrose contain this number of molecules. This is Avogadro's number. But the important point to remember is that a small but important point for student, the particles are molecules in this case, not individual atoms. If you want to go to one step further, you have to find out the individual atoms. Each sucrose molecule contains 45 atoms, 12 carbon, 22 hydrogen, and 11 oxygen atom. Therefore, 342 gram of sucrose contains these molecules are about this number of total atoms. The distinction between molecules and atom is often tested in chemistry exam. It is important. Short question as well. Look at the relation. The given mass is equal to molar mass. So for given mass 342 gram, molar mass 342 gram is equal to 1 mole. Let's understand this example from daily life. If you dissolve 342 gram of pure sucrose in a cup of tea, that sugar contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sucrose. A simple and important rule for mole: whenever the given mass equals to the molar mass of a substance, you have exactly 1 mole, which contains this number of particles, molecules, or ions depending on the nature of substance. NaCl 58.5 gram of given mass over 58.5 gram of formula mass. How to calculate the molar mass? One mole is always equal to when given mass is exactly equal to molar mass. This is the simplest rule or concept to remember Avogadro's number of particles are 1 mole.